Peck deck fly, also known as the Peck deck machine. Now, this machine is meant to replicate the effects of the dumbbell fly. However, it's a little better for isolating the pec because with this machine, you get the same amount of tension through the full range of motion. So, first thing you want to do is adjust your seat height so that our chest is aligned with the handle or the pad. You can adjust it up or down to hit different parts of the chest. My seat's a little high here, so I'm hitting lower chest, but if my seat was low, I'll be hitting upper chest a little more, and of course the middle would get a good balance of the upper and lower pec. Now we want to make sure we maintain slightly bent elbows throughout the range of motion here so that we maintain the same amount of tension in our chest. And then because this is an isolation exercise, you want to maximize, really get into that mind-muscle connection and then feel intentionally the muscles you're trying to activate with slow, controlled movements.